new joining here?
Hello, good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening. Name?
Sir, this is new journey, sir. Yesterday I have paid the fees and then today I have joined the class. My name is Sai Sujay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Sai Suresh. Okay, and Ramesh is also joined, right? He is also new join, I think. Okay. Okay, just to tell about yourself so that we can understand about you.
Sir. Sir. Sir, this is Sai Sujay, sir. I have completed my MBA in finance. My passout batch is 2020. Right now, I am working in ICICI Securities in stock market field, having an experience of 1 year, 8 months. I wanted to pursue my career in SAP FICO. So that's why, based on the friend's reference, I got your YouTube channel or all. So that and the reviews are all good. So actually, I joined your institute so that not to pursue my career in SAP.
Okay, great, super. Thank you very much for your introduction.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, then who is next? Ramesh, are you then? I think you are also new joining.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, how are you? How are you?
Yeah, I'm good, sir. Myself, I'm Ramesh. Recently completed my MBA. I'm fresher, sir.
Okay. Okay, so you are completely fresher. Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
See, I think almost
Yes.
festival, due to festival, many of people not attended today. I think 2 or 3 people not attended, right? Okay, let's start. Okay, guys. So far we have discussed about theoretical concepts. So I clearly explained types of projects and also system landscape, client details. Okay, and what is the roles and responsibilities of SAP FICO or S4 HANA consultant. Okay, and also explain enterprise structure. So on which configurations we need to perform. Today I'm going to discuss about in SAP system. Okay, so I think most of the people are not familiar with SAP system. So I will explain the basic concepts first, and then if it is possible, so I will take up one more session for configuration, SAP FI enterprise structure configuration. Okay, let me bring up my screen right now, so you people are able to see my screen or not. Just give the confirmation.
Yes, sir, we can see.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, guys, this is S4 HANA system. Okay, so for the time being, I'm explaining. So the system requirements and all. So you guys need to get the system access immediately. I don't know how many people got this access. If people are not getting the access so far, then you connect Kagsa. He will provide the servers, this contacts, etc. So I think almost so we have shared those details in the chart. Okay, just to have a look at that, and you directly contact.
Sir, we have get the access of ECC.
No problem. See, first thing is you get the ECC access, right? That is it. So get the ECC access first. Okay, once you're perfect on ECC, then you can switch on to S4 HANA. So initial stages, we will explain everything in ECC. But for you guys, the initial class I will take in S4 HANA, so that you people understand. Okay, don't worry. So there is not much difference in the ECC to S4 HANA screens level. So for the basic levels, everything is same. So there are some of the important topics which we will discuss separately in S4 HANA. So meanwhile, please focus more on the ECC. So this server access, I think you already got. Okay, so just check it out. So most of the people have a little bit confusion. So whether we are using ECC server or S4 HANA server. So then how you can identify these two things? Just go to SAP systems. Okay, so here there is one option is the systems. and just go to status. Okay, see here, this is S4 HANA server. Okay, so the host is S4 HANA 2020 and the database is HANA database. Okay, its database is completely HANA database. So for example, if you are using ECC version, here in most cases you will see IBM DB2, MS SQL, Oracle databases, and sometimes there may be chances it may be HANA, because so this HANA database also you can use in ECC versions also. So but the thing is, you need to check the product. Okay, so the product, which product we are using. So here also given S4 HANA 2020 version. Okay, and you can also see, so the product details you can find it over here. So just double click on this. Okay, just install the product versions. Here we can easily identify whether it is ECC or S4 HANA. So SAP Fury apps for S4 HANA and above platforms, and S4 HANA Foundation, S4 HANA on-premise. Okay, so this is the latest version we are using currently, 2020 version. Okay, and you can also see this is the client and the user. So my so user is the best and language is English. So just now log in into the system. So the details also be here. So log on details, timing and zone. Okay, so the program ID, so operating system. Okay, installer numbers. These are all details we can see in the system status. Okay, I will show once again. So you just go to system and go to status. So you can directly go to the product versions, double click and go to installed products. So you can easily trace out here whether you are using S4 HANA or ECC versions. Okay, then so this is a SAP Easy Access screen. Okay, this is SAP Easy Access screen. Here end users will post different kind of transactions here. Okay, so they can also view the reports and they will prepare the entire financial statements from this area only. So this is SAP Easy Access screen. So so most probably you can say this is end user screen. So all the SAP end users will use this screen. Okay, so we have one more screen. For accessing that screen, you can directly use the transaction code SPRO. So T code SPRO. T code SPRO means Special Project Reference Objective. Just type down in the command field and click enter. Okay, so this is called as a command field, not sets. Okay, it's a command field, and here you can see SAP reference IMG. Okay, so just should double click on this. So here one more screen is appearing. So this screen is called as SAP IMG screen. Okay, this is IMG screen. Consultant will use this screen. Most of the configuration, all the configurations will be performed only consulting teams. This is called as SP IMG screen. Okay, so this is IMG screen. IMG means implementation manual guidance. Okay, so this is one important screen for consultant level, and here we can perform configurations. Let's say, for example, last time we explained about enterprise structure, right? So just to expand this, so just go to definition. So here financial accounting. Okay, so all the configurations will be done from this area only. Define company, credit control area, and copy, delete, check company code, business area, functional area, consolidate business area, FM area, segment, profit centers. These are all things we explained in the last session. Okay, so for this we need to configure in the IMG screen only. So these things we cannot be do configuration in the front end. So this is back end screen. So and if you go to front end screen, that is called as SAP SAP Easy Access screen. Just type down N in the command field. Okay, it directly take you into the SAP Access screen. Okay, so this is SAP Easy Access screen, and the just now we have gone through the one more screen, SPRO. Okay, SPRO, just type down in the command field, and you can see SAP reference IMG. Okay, this screen is called as SAP this screen is called SAP IMG Screen Display IMG. IMG means Implementation Manual Guidance. Implementation Manual Guidance. So once you can just drill down this, what are the transaction keys, what are the transaction codes you are using. So everything will be appeared over here. So previous transactions and the T codes, previous T codes and the current T codes, everything you can see. So just now I used this T code. So transaction code SPRO. SPRO means Special Project Reference Objective. Okay, SPRO means Special Project Reference Objective. So if you want to do configuration and all, so just to use SPRO screen. This is SPRO screen, also called as IMG screen. IMG means Implementation Manual Guidance. Here, all the configurations will be performed in this screen only. Okay, just double click on type down as N, and it will take you into the SAP Easy Access screen. Okay, and now just to go to accounting. See here you can see financial accounting and controlling. So these are the two modules in SAP FICO or S4 HANA Finance and Controlling. So in the financial accounting, you can just click down. So here you can find the general ledgers, accounts receivables, accounts payables, banks, fixed assets, special purpose ledger. So all the sub modules are appearing over here. So in financial accounting, so these are the sub modules like general ledger, accounts receivables, accounts payable, banks, fixed assets, special purpose ledger. Okay, so just double click on general ledger. So you can see the document entry. See in general ledger, so these are all things will be there. So document entry, document, account, master records, periodic processing, reporting, information. So these are all end user activities. Okay, we need to perform. Okay, like that in accounts receivables also we can see document entry, document, account, master records, periodic processing, reporting, all this stuff we can see over here. And in the accounts payable also we can see document entry, document, account, master record. These are all common things. Okay, and banks you can also see input, outgoing, master data, periodic processing, and these are the important areas which I am sharing you right now. So in the fixed assetting, assets, posting, asset, periodic processing, these are all things are there. Okay, and this is very important areas that we need to learn from SAP FI. And here from CO also we can see different kind of modules in the CO level. So first one is cost element accounting, cost center accounting, okay, internal orders, activity based costing, product costing, profitability center. These are all profitability analysis and profit center accounting. These are all SAP CO submodules. Okay, so SAP FI modules and SAP CO module both are not same. See, SAP CO has different submodules and SAP FI has different submodules. Okay, like that in SPA, in IMG screen also we can see this segregation. So just type down SPRO and click enter, and then go to SAP reference IMG. Okay, so here you can also see enterprise. 1 minute please. Financial accounting, right? So here financial accounting, you can also see financial accounting, global setting, general ledger, account receivable, payables, both are in the same place. Contract account, receivables, payables, bank accounting, revenue accounting. Okay, so asset accounting. So like that in SAP FI has different submodules. For submodules we need to do configurations. Okay, so this is configuration area. For general ledger we need to configure from this place. So for accounts receivables we need to configuration in this place, receivables, payables, like that. All the configurations respective submodules that we can see in this place. Okay, just to close this, and you can also see in the controlling. Okay, in controlling also we can see cost element accounting, cost center accounting, internal orders, activity based costing. Okay, so these are all basic part, so that we can also see in this area. Okay. Okay, so these are all configuration for the CO module. Okay, so just here you can also see this is back and this is exit and this is cancel. Okay, so the three options we have back, then you just click down on this option, it will directly take to you back, and so just click on this, So SAP Easy Access Screen. So this is just like a log off. Okay, if you want to log off right now, so then you can just log off this screen. And so one more thing is just like how many screens that we can use in S4 HANA. Okay, so here if you want to use one more screen, then click down this one. Okay, right now you can able to see two screens, and click down. So click on it, click. See, so many screens will be there in S4 HANA. But in ECC version, only 6 screens will be appear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screens will be there in ECC version. But is S4 HANA, I don't know how many screens that we can see, but mostly you can use at least 10, 15, 20 screens also that we can possible. So just to check how many it will be allowed. I don't know. Okay, system is allowing many screens. Okay, see almost 1, 2, 3, 20 screens also system will allow. So okay, so how can I close all these screens right now? Okay, how we can close it? So /I. Okay, so maximum sessions reached. Okay, so maximum session reached, how many that we can see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 screens. Okay, so even if I click this one, what the system will say? Okay, even it is also taking. Okay, maximum that we can see how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I think 16 is allowed, 15 I think. Okay, so how we can close these sessions? Okay, just /I. If you use /I, you can close the session. Okay, /I. /n is back and /I is. Okay, so almost you close so many sessions. /I. Maximum number. So how this settle is coming? Okay, you can also close like this. So now check /I is working or not. Okay, it's working. /I. See, almost we completed all of the sessions. So if you want to see the general ledger document information, so just go to accounting. Okay, just go to accounting and go to financial accounting. Okay, general ledger. So if you want to post any kind of general ledger, then document entry. Okay, if you want to post general ledger, document entry. If you want to display, change, edit, then document. If you want to see the reports, then go to accounts. Okay, if you want to see the master data, complete information about the GL or creation, etc. So those things also be here. So this is the master records. So just click on document entry. So what is the T code for general ledger document entry? Okay, this is FB50. So this is T codes. Okay, FB50L, F-02. So FB01L, FB50. Okay, so these are all general ledger documents. Okay, so these are all general ledger documents. Just double click on this. Okay, here you can see the details. Document posting date, reference. Okay, document header text. So these are all general ledgers related things you can see in this place. Okay, so once you give all these details, and you can also post the entry also. So I don't know my system will work out or not, because I haven't done any configurations. So company code, you need to, I don't know, I have forgotten my company code also. Okay, just giving my company code. So if you want to post salary paid, rent paid, so those things also you can do it. This is general ledger, right? R2R transactions. So take the GL account. So one error. So if you click double click, so click enter. So GL. Just I am sharing to you. Okay, so these things we will explain one by one. For the time being, I'm just telling you how to post the entry in SAP system. So even my system is also not configured, but just providing the details. Okay, rent account it are to bank account. So I'm taking bank account. This one is credit. This rent is debit. So I'm paying 10,000 rupees, 1 lakh rupees. So just I'm giving 1 lakh. Okay, click enter. So see, this is a warning message. This is warning message. Okay, if you click enter, this is the error message. Okay, so in real time, so this is one kind of posting error message. Okay, so as a FICO consultant, you should understand so why this error has been come and how to resolve that error. So those things will come up also once you do the practice in SAP system, and so it will take some time for you to understand and system behavior as also. So see, right now I will resolve this issue. Okay, but just to see how I am resolving this issue. See, any error will come, just read out this first. Okay, so no amount tolerance range entered for company code. This is one kind of technical error. Okay, not end user posting error. So any kind of inputs end user providing wrongly, then error will thrown, right? So here I'm giving all the details in proper way, but even I'm giving proper details, but system is giving an error message, throwing error message. So what is that error? Here also clearly we need to identify no amount tolerance range entered. So we should understand what is tolerance range. Okay, and the message number also there. See, this message number has been generated automatically. So this message number is also F5103 is also there, and no tolerance group is specified in company code TA01. That means one configuration is missed out. Okay, that is the reason you are not posting the entry. Okay, any configuration is missing, that means you are not able to post the entry. That means we need to rectify that error. This is one kind of configuration error. So procedure also be given. See, system SAP has thrown an error, but also saying the procedure how to rectify the error. Okay, so if you have entered correct company code, ensure that least one tolerance group is created for company code, and that is also assigned to company code. You do the customization, and also here the path is also given how to rectify. Okay, so today I'm just giving the overall process. Okay, so how to resolve the error, that things you can know once you become perfect in the system. So at least it will take 5 to 10 classes, then at least you can resolve this error from yourself also. But right now you cannot resolve. Right now you will not able to resolve this error because so this is technical error and we are not started any configurations. Okay, so in SAP system also. So that is the reason. So it would be a little bit difficult for you to resolve. Even you do not know how to post the entry in SAP system and what is T code, what is table. So these are all things you don't know right now. Okay, I understand. But for the time being, so I'm just telling you what is error. Okay, so how the error will come, and as a FICO consultant, how you can resolve. So in the initial class also, I'm telling you the error resolution. Okay, the first thing is you should understand the error. Okay, and message number also there. So why this message number has been generated? That means so someone this is SAP standard message. Okay, this standard message has been created in SAP already. Okay, and the procedure also be given how to resolve. Okay, so just double click on this. Okay, system is directly taking to this IMG screen. IMG means configuration screen. Okay, just double click on this. Okay, here check your company code. So check your company code. Tolerance group has been created or not. Okay, so for my company code, tolerance group is for my company code, tolerance group is already there. TH01. Okay, company code is already there. But why the error is coming? Okay, so interlinked one configuration was missing maybe. So OB57. Okay, so just I'm going and checking. Okay, so my user ID is best. So you can also see these details. So which user ID I'm using also. See best. Okay, so here you can check with best. Okay, so tolerance group is missing in this place, TA01. Okay, this is missing. That is the reason you are getting error. Okay, so as a end user, you know how to post the entry, but as a FICO consultant, so we need to know the system behavior. Okay, so system behavior means how we are rectifying the error. That is very important. And there is something configuration is mess up. So that is the reason error is coming. Okay, so that things will come to know once you become once you get perfection in the system level, right? So again I will try to post the entry. Just go back. So just FB50. Okay, document reference. See, and see, this is your company code. So for this company code, one transaction was happened. So the transaction is rent paid. Okay, rent paid. This is rent GL. Okay, double click on this, and you can also see rent. Okay, and here you can take. Okay, system taking some time, so we need to wait. Okay, so system is taking some time, so it will be delayed. So what we need to do? So here one option is there. Okay, double click on this and stop transaction. Okay, so double click on this, stop transaction. Even if you click that option, but the system taking more time, that means okay. So okay, this was again come back. So here just double click on FB50 and give the details. Okay. So if you click on backspace, then system will give you the previous entry. Okay. So 500, and this is bank account. Okay. And debit, rent account debit. This is bank account credit. See, just I'm giving backspace. Backspace will come automatically. Okay. So backspace. Again I am clicking enter. Okay. So enter, it is giving as a green. Okay, it is giving as a line checked. Okay, that means there is no error. Okay, right now I resolve the error. Okay, so in the first class I am saying you how to resolve the error. Okay, so that is just go to simulate. So rent account data to bank account, and if you post the entry, then what happened? So document number has been generated, and if you go to document and display it, so here you can directly see the posted transaction. Okay, so this is GL entry posting. Okay, so in so just I don't know you people are getting me or not. Just like I'm explaining, so how to post the entry. Okay, so like that we can post several kind of transactions. So once I posted, just I'm going to back /n. So this is a document entry. Okay, document entry I have done first, and if you want to change this document, so then FD02. Okay, so here you just give the document number and company code, just click enter. Okay, so if you want to change, then double click. Okay, here, so these are all things we cannot change. Okay, these are all gray out. Okay, these are all gray out. Only text and assignment that we can change. So I'm giving you just rent. Okay, just I change it as rent. Assignment has assignment date I'm changing to 2. That means you can also change the document once you post it. Okay, back. So those things you can see in the document. In document entry you can post. In document we can see the details. Okay, so you can edit, you can change, modify those things. Okay, in accounts you can see the balances. Okay, so GL balances, just double click on this. Okay, give the account number. Rent, you posted just no rent, right? So take the rent. Okay, so okay, do one thing. So that GL I need to check. Even here from this place also we can see the GL accounts, but system is asking chart of accounts. I have forgotten my chart of accounts. Okay, so I will do. So which GL I posted, I need to check. Okay, FB50. So here just backspace. So this is one GL and this is one GL, right? I want to check this GL balances. So give this place and execute. Okay.
These GLs are predefined, means 13,000 is the GL
No.
number.
See, right now we haven't done anything in the SAP system. Okay, we have only zero knowledge. So this is already configured. Okay, so in S4 HANA I already configured. So that is the reason I can able to post the entries. I can see the details and everything. GL related and already automation already created. Okay, for you, you cannot post any single entry. Okay, and there are several kind of errors will come at the initial stage because we haven't discussed anything. We haven't discussed anything means we haven't discussed any configuration so far. Okay, for the system behavior and system understanding, just now I am giving you overview, but so these classes will be continued. So one by one, once we get perfection in the so all areas, right? So just now I am showing you that in SAP system, how can the view the document and how we can see the details. Okay, all these things I am just now explaining. This is basic class. Okay, so for you, just to see the details. That's it. Okay, so there is nothing, no action from your side. Just to see the details and just watch out the screens. That's enough. Okay, so this is also we can see the GL balances. Okay, we can also see the GL balance. Just now I posted in fifth month. Fifth month means it's a September. Okay, so like that. Okay, so like that. Here account means here we can view the details. Okay, here we can display the balances, GL balances also. So in master records, you can see the GLs. Okay, so just now you asked me one question. So where we can see all GLs? So FS00. Okay, so here I created already several GLs I created. Okay, that is the reason I can able to post the entries. But so you cannot post any single entry right now because we haven't discussed how to create a company code in the system. How you can make it? Okay, just now I am giving you overview. Okay, /n. So like that. So in accounts payable also we can see the document entry, and you can also edit the document, and also you can see the balances, and you can also create the GLs like vendors also we can create in account receivables. Okay, like accounts payables, you can also post, you can also edit, display, modify, anything we can see. Okay, you can also display balances. Here you can also see the vendor details. Master records means in accounts payable master record is vendor. Okay, in accounts receivables master record is customer. So in GL master record is GL. Okay, in bank accounts master record is bank. Okay, so I told you already. So some of the master data in SAP FI, right? So fixed assets is also master data. Okay, so these are all in financial accounting, right? So once you go to general ledger document entry, you can able to see this T codes. T code means transaction code. Okay, so here you are following the path. Okay, so you are following path means just you are clicking accounting, then you find the financial accounting. Again you are searching the general ledger, then document entry, then you are posting this entry, right? So like that, you can directly type down FB50 over here. So instead of checking all these things, instead of following navigation path, so just double click on FB50, click enter. Okay, directly take you into the screen. So by using the T code, your work will be reduced, your timing. That means you can able to post the transaction in fraction of seconds, right? You can directly move to the screens in fraction of seconds. But if you are checking the navigation path, okay, you can also see the navigation path. The general ledger, document entry, FB50. So this is also one screen, right? So see, so at the initial stage, by using the transaction codes directly here, just to follow the navigation path, so then you come to know each and everything over here. So if you directly just typing the FB50, then your level of standard should be on that FB50 only. But if you are using the path, so you can see all the details. Okay, in coming days, what is this, like that, you can make some analysis. Okay, instead of using the transaction code, at the initial stage, once you become perfect, then you can use the transaction codes. But so transaction code should be you should remind, okay, like that. So path is also very important. If you don't know what is the transaction code for a document entry for general ledger, then you can directly use the path. If you do not aware the path, so then you can also you can also use the transaction code. So here you can find list of transaction codes in this box, right? So just clicking FB50. Okay, so here you can see is status bar. This is called as a status bar, and this is menu bar. Okay, this is command field. So these are application toolbars. Okay, just click on best. So here the client details, user details, and every transaction has a program. Okay, so this is SAP standard program. Standard program means SAP has given one program, okay, for every transaction code. If you use any transaction code, so there should be some program will be there. And here also you can see what is the transaction code that you have given. So those details also you can see. Okay, FB50 right now. How much time it has taken to come to this place? That time also millisecond something has been given, right? So this is status bar. And if you want to see all time transactions, just double click. Okay, so here FB50 will appear. So if I just go back, so if I use FB65, so system will give you F-65, right? So if you give program, system will throw you program only. So system will give program only. If we select transaction, okay, so /n, so double click on this, then system will give you the transaction. Okay, right. Now here all the T codes are appearing. Okay, so if you do not want to see these transaction codes, then go to extras and settings. Okay, so display technical names. Then you can see the details: accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, document entry. Here there is no T codes appearing, right? If you want to see again the T codes, then go to settings. So display technical names. Okay, just double click on this and check it out. Okay, here you can see the so these are some of the T codes, right? So this is the place where you can switch off T codes and switch on T codes. Okay, if you want to make any transaction code as your favorite, so then select this, right click, so add favorites. Okay, so here it comes to the favorite, and you want to make this as a favorite, then select and add favorite. Okay, so like that you can make it favorites, right? So this is path. Okay, and in SPRO, just go to SPRO and reference IMG. Okay, so enterprise structure and definition. Okay, so financial accounting. Okay, here company, credit control area, delete check, business area, functional area, consolidated business area, FM area, segment and profit centers are already there. Okay, and here in controlling also modules, these are all enterprise structure modules. Okay, this is enterprise structure in controlling. So main controlling area, create operating concern. This is comes under the enterprise structure. Okay, like that. Here assignments. So we have some assignments, right? Financial accounting. Assign company code to company. Assign company code to credit control area. Assign business area to credit control consolidated business area. Assign company code to financial management area. Assign profit center to company code. So these are all assignments that we can see in FI. Okay, last time we discussed in theoretical aspects. Okay, in today I'm showing everything in practical. So you want to know about the company, what exactly meant by company. So just double click on this IMG activity documentation. Okay, so here entire information we can see. A define company. Okay, so here we can see entire information. So, but SAP standard is a little bit complex. So, if you want to make yourself more perfect in SAP, then follow these standards. Okay. So this is a high. This is my high standards. So if you want to see what is credit control area, also you can see this information. SAP has given the documentation. Okay. So everything is there. But where is T code for configuration? Like SAP end user has the T codes at the same time. So SAP FI configuration level also we have different kind of T codes. So how we can activate these T codes? So here just go to additional information, additional display key and IMG activity. This is the path. Just have a look at additional information, display key, IMG activity. Okay, additional information, display key, IMG activity. Just double click on this. Okay, just expand this, drag down. Okay, so the 4 digits we can see only 4 digits. So what is the creation of company T code? OX15, only 4 digits we need to consider. What is the T code for credit control area? OB45. What is the T code for edit, copy, check, delete company? OX02. What is the business area T code? OX03. What is the functional area T code? So this T code is obsolete. This T code is not working. Okay, BD. Okay, and this is not working right now. Functional area. So these are all T codes also given. Okay. So if you want to create a company, then we can directly create from this place also. I will tell you one by one. So this is just like activation of T codes. Okay, so these are all activation of T codes. Right now I will start the configuration. Okay, so how we can start again I will tell you right now. /n. Okay, /n. Just go to SPRO. SPRO means special project reference objective. Enter SAP reference IMG. Okay, so enterprise structure. Okay, so here we have assignments and definition. So assignments, you can see all this information. Okay, assignment, go to financial accounting. So you can see the assignments. If you go to definition, financial accounting, you can see the configurations. See, define company comes under the enterprise structure. Credit control area comes under the enterprise structure. Okay, so what is company and all? You can see the documentation. So this is documentation about the company. So and this is the documentation about the credit control area. Okay, you can also see this documentation and read out. If you have time. So business area, so please read out. So like that here we have assignments also there. Okay, so this is assignments for financial accounting. Okay, assign company code to company, assign company code to credit control area, assign business area to consolidated business area, assign company code to financial management area, assign profit center to company. Okay, so and the first one we need to define company, right? So this is the configuration we need to perform in SAP FI module. So first we need to create the company. So what is company and all? I already explained. You just have a look at my previous videos. Okay, I clearly explained what is the company, credit control area and all. So what is the purpose of creation of company? To give the external reports. External reports are nothing but profit and loss account and balance sheet. It is for the purpose of consolidation. So the main purpose creation of company is consolidation, right? So consolidation of financial statements of intercompany codes. Okay, so execute this one. So this button is called as execution. Okay, all these buttons are execute. This one is execute. And I just want to create new company, then new entries. Some of the people already created. Okay, like me, some of the people already created reference company codes also there. But I don't want to use the reference company. I don't want to use the reference companies. So now just go to new entries. So I will create the new company. Okay, Reliance. Okay, REL001. This is my company. Okay, Reliance Industries Private Limited. This is my company, Reliance Industries, and company course technical name is RE1001. Okay, just remind this. So this is located at Marthahalli. Okay, post box 560037, and these things we need to give properly. And city, so Bangalore, and country. Okay, just a form fill up, nothing complex here. Currency INR. Okay, so because my company is located in India, my company currency should be INR. This is Reliance Industry Private Limited. Okay, like that. So your client will share you this all the details. So these things will be available in the blueprint. So same you need to copy. Okay, same you need to copy and paste it, right? Just that's it. There is nothing difficulty that you can see. So creation of company is very easy, right? So once you click, you will find the transport request number. Okay, so this is transport request number, will come automatically. Okay, so you there is no action from your side. So this is transport request will be created automatically. So here once just click on this create option, just type down enterprise structure configuration. Okay, so user best. So best is my name. Okay, save it. Okay, enterprise structure, and this is the transport request number, TR number. Okay, this is called as transport request number. Okay, so what is view maintenance data and all, I will tell you next class. Okay, so just now, just understand the process. Just okay. So you have done creation of the company in SAP system. Okay, so REL0001, REL001 is your company. Go back, and it's already available in the system right now. Okay, go back. So company creation has been done. Then next step should be company code, right? So execute this button. So edit company code, or copy, delete, check company code. If you want to copy all the information from another company code, then use this option. Okay, so if you want to create new company code, then you can edit company code. Double click this. Okay, so this screen will be appear. So just new entries. Okay, so my Reliance company code is REL company Reliance Textiles. Okay, Reliance Textile is one of the company code, RELT, Reliance Textiles. This is one company code. Okay, so here give the address. This is located at SR Nagar, and give the country. Okay, and currency INR, so language English. Okay, so once you save, so you will find another screen. Okay, so that means system is asking more details. Okay, just go to title. It's a company, right? You can take it company. It's a Mr. or Mrs. or private limited, whatever there, that you can take it. It's a private limited, then you can take private limited. Okay, so here just type down Reliance Textiles. So you can just copy this in search. If anyone search with this, it will be visible. Okay, street and all you need to provide. So this details. Okay, so you just provide. So I'm just giving the dummy details. 6 digits only accept for the postal code. So country, so region where it is located, Telangana. TR, Telangana, we need to check. So Telangana TG, right? The postal code. So these details will be provided by our client. no worries. But in real time, we need to give the proper details. Okay, proper details. So all the company code details we provided. So in real time, we need to give telephone, mobile number, okay, fax, email details also. Just okay. So here one more number has been generated, transport request. I don't want to use all times different transport request. So just double click on this, take the previous one. Okay, take the previous one and use this infrastructure configuration. There is no need to create again for the short description. I'm using only infrastructure short description for all infrastructure configurations, right? So take only the one configuration which already we have done. This is transport request, right? The only you can use one transport request for all the configurations. There is no need to use multiple transport requests. Okay, so just okay. Okay, you created company code. So company code name is RELT. Just remind this. So here also you can see the details RELT. Just double click on this. If you want to change anything, you can change it. Okay. So I don't want to change anything. Just go back. Okay. Then click enter. So once you created a company code, the next step would be say assign company code to company, right? So click on this. Someone is if you are getting this kind of message. See, this is one kind of message. Data is locked by user 6. That means the server is using by many people, right? So this in this server someone is there. So I just want to remove that person and I need to come again. So just you want to see the locked data? No. And use the another screen. Okay, if you are finding this kind of difficulty to edit the document and all, so just go to SM12. Okay, just go to SM12 and so SM go to SM11. Okay, 1 minute. Oh, in your system it's not working. So we can see the locked data in this list. In S4 HANA, maybe it's not showing any details. Okay, but in ECC it will be work out. Do one thing. I will try again. So this data has been locked. That means someone is there already in the system. Okay. If you want to see, you can also see the details, but it should be gray out. Okay. It should not be edited. It should be gray out. There is no new entries option. Okay. So that case, generally in a ECC version, we have we can also unlock the user. Okay. SM12 maybe username. Okay, so these are all usernames are there. Okay, so just remove this. So select A, Control A, it will be selected automatically. So someone has using the server, using that your server, and that person is also there in that TCO. That is the reason we cannot able to create, right? So just delete this. Delete. So this is different one. Delete is there here. This is the delete option. Delete. Select Control A and delete it. 1 minute, please. Sorry. Delete. Okay. Now you can just again go to this screen. Okay, and check. It will be work out. Okay. So for assignment, just go to position. Okay. And our T code is RELT. Okay, RELT. So this is your company code, and here you need to provide the company. So what is my company? REL001. So let's say, for example, if you have 10 company codes, just assign the company over here. That's it. Okay, save it. So here one more transport request will come up. So I don't want to use this as a new transport request. So all time I want to use only this transport request. So double click on this and save. Okay, I assigned company code to company. Okay. Okay, so I created company code. So credit control area. So what is credit control area? How much credit? That way that we can extend to particular customers, right? So the maximum credit limit that we need to define in credit control area. Okay. Double click on this and click new entries. So here I am defining credit control area, RE credit control area CA. Okay, I'm just defining RECA, currency INR. Okay, so these are all things I don't know. So I know only credit limit. So I'm just giving credit limit this one, this amount that we can extend to particular customer. This is the maximum limit in company code in this credit control area. So if you want to use all company codes, this maximum limit, then select all company codes. But I don't want to use all the company codes, only this limit. Okay, I'm just saving. Okay, so here I will take the last configuration 522. That's it. Save it. Okay, it's done. You created credit control area. So this is the maximum limit that we can extend to particular customer. So now the next step is, once we create a credit control area, then we can assign to company code. So credit control area to company code, right? So just for assignment, all times you need to go position. Okay, for assignments, all time you need to go to position. So give your company code, RELT. Okay. So here just give the RE. What is that credit control area? CA. Okay, this is your credit control area. Save. So I want to use only the previous one. So this one, save. So I assigned credit control area, company code to credit control. Credit control area big. All time controlling area is bigger than the company code. Okay. See, first I created company, then assignment. Okay, credit control area, then assignment. Company code, that is already done. Now business areas. We need to define the business areas. Click on this. So click on new entries. Okay. So I'm defining business area RE B1. Okay, RE, these are all business areas. B2, RE. Okay, so one business area is located at Hyderabad and one business area is located at Mumbai and one business area located at Vijayawada. Okay, save it. So I don't want to use the new transport request. So just create one earlier one. Just okay. Okay, business area is created. Very simple. It's just like data entry. There is not that complex. Okay, so once you watch out this video, then you can also make out this. Okay, business area. Then we need to define the consolidated business area. So execute. So here for the reference also you can see all the details. You can use these things also for reference. Okay, I don't want to use the reference one. Then you need to create new entries. So consolidated business area REFC, consolidated RE consolidated business area BA, RE consolidated business area, consolidated business area for my company. My company is RELT. Okay, just type down, save it, good, drill down and enterprise structure configuration, save it. Okay, very simple. So I created business area and consolidated business area. I created business area and consolidated business area. What is the assignment? So first one is assignment of company code to company, then assignment of company code to credit control area, then business area to consolidated business area. Okay, double click on this and just go to position, take the business area, take the business areas. So I don't know what is the business area I created, then RA star. Okay, RA star. So Reliance, right? RE star. Okay, so then click. So this is my business area, this is my business area, this is my business area. So I assign the business area here, consolidated business area, RSCV. Just copy and paste and paste. Okay, just copy and paste. So assigning so business area to consolidated business area. Save. So I'm taking the previous transport request only. Double click. Okay. Okay, it's also done. This is also done. Then company code to financial management area, right? So I need to check where is financial management area. So here you can see the financial management area. Okay, so double click on this. So it's already there. Okay, so for reference also you can use it. I don't want to use any reference. See, this is also you can use it. Select and click on it. So just I'm copying this, right? REFM. REFM means Reliance Financial Management Area. So my currency is INR. It's copied entry. Click enter. Okay, click enter. Then you will find the number of entries copied. One entry copied. REFM. Okay, save it. So I want to use only previous one. Double click on this. Okay. Okay, REFM Financial Management Area INR. Right. So segments. So financial management area to company code. Financial management area to company code is assignment is there. So just double click on this. So all time assignment go to position all times. So company code is RELT. Enter. So here. So just give the financial management area REFM. This is the assignment linkage. Okay, save. So use the previous one. Save. Okay, done. Then see, then go to segment. Segment mean products. Okay, execute. Okay. So for Reliance, I'm just giving my products, new entries, RES1, segment 1. Okay, I'm creating dummy segments. Okay, RES3. Here, Reliance segment 1. Copy and paste. Okay, save it. Okay, take the previous one, save it, done. All enterprise structure configurations we have completed. Profit center comes under the CO module. Once we discuss about the CO, then I will tell you how to create profit center and all. So for assignments, for enterprise structure assignments and for financial accounting configuration, so enterprise structure financial accounting configuration has been completed. Okay, so now where we can see all these details in single place. So just go back. So there is one transaction code is there. Okay, SC01. Okay, SC01, or you can just give the SC01 customizing modifiable display. Okay, so this is enterprise structure. This is transport request. So here just expand this. So all the configurations we can see in one place, right? So today what we can see, take the screenshot and send in the chart. This is today's assignment for you. Okay, you send me the screenshots. So entire things is send me the screenshot today and finish up. So these configurations and all very simple. Okay, not that much level. Okay, so first we go to SPRO. Okay, reference IMG, and then enterprise structure. So definition. Okay, financial accounting. So here all the configurations we can see. So just execute one by one and do the assignments also. So go to assignments and go to financial accounting and complete this. Okay, so just share me the screenshot. For screenshot, you can just go to SE09. Okay, so SE09 and display. Okay, and execute this. Execute this. Okay, you can see these details. Okay, session is already recording. So just watch the recording options. Okay, so and complete this. Almost for you it will take 1 hour. For me it has completed 15 minutes. 15-20 minutes. I finished up all the configurations. Okay, for you it will take 1 hour if you are completely new. If you are taking training somewhere, then it will take you within 10 to 15 minutes also you can finish it out. Finish up. Okay, so I think people are already having server access, so there is no problem. So if you do not have server access, then so in chart also we shared the details. Okay, for servers. Okay, so those details you can get in touch with Kader sir also, and any group member will also share the phone number. You can contact them and get the server access immediately. So once you get the server access, then install this GUI. So this GUI you need to install, and then just give the login credentials. That's it. So he will provide you login credentials. /I means log off. Okay. So just this screen. Log off. So if you double click on this, you need to install this GUI, and then just go to login and give the username and password. Okay, this is client is generally demo client. So only one client we need to use for the demo perspective, but in real term we have Sandbox has one client. Okay, development has one client, and there are so many clients that we can see in real time. This is a test server, so we can see only one client, and here we need to perform entire configuration testing and everything in one server, but in real time, so there are different kind of servers that we can see. Okay, so this is end of this session. So guys, please complete and send the screenshot. Okay, send the screenshot in the chat box. So that is so we can come to know you have finished up the task. Okay, every time we are giving the task to you. So based on your time, we need to finish up the task immediately. Okay, so once you complete the task immediately, then you will be catching up my classes. Okay, but no problem. So we are giving 3 days holiday. Okay, we are taking only 4 sessions in every week. That means 3 days holidays. So within 3 days also you can finish up. But my recommendation is, so during the class only you can finish up all these assignments. Then you can do any kind of configurations in your own also. Okay, so follow the sessions on daily basis and finish up the task. So please do that immediate basis. So this is end of the session. We will have one more session tomorrow. Same timing. So this is and one more thing is people who are not attended the previous sessions. Okay, so you can also in the chat box. So already recorded sessions are available. Okay, so these are all recorded sessions are also available, or else you can directly go to my YouTube channel. So here I am providing basic sessions for you guys. Okay, up to 7 classes is also available. Okay, up to 7 classes is also available. So up to 7 classes, for that just go to Chanu SK and go to playlist. So we will upload up to 10 classes. After that we won't upload. Okay, maximum that these are all basic stuff. So that is the reason we are uploading. So in coming classes we won't upload all the areas, right? So here you can go to finance and this one. So double click on this. In the playlist, you can see all the important areas also. Day 1, day 2, day 3, like that. You can see day 2, day 3, day 4. You can also find out the details. Okay, day 5, day 7, up to day 7, you can see the details. Day 7. Okay. So this is end of the session. Thank you very much. We'll see tomorrow.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, sir. I have two questions, sir.
Hmm.
Yeah. So my first question is in the last session you said ki the business area and the company So these are the optional things. So this is not mandatory to define or to create, right?
I don't tell you. I didn't tell you that company code is optional. Okay.
Sorry,
Business
company,
area is optional.
Company and business area. Sorry, sir. Sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry. So yeah. So for which cases, sir? Because if we
let's say, for example, I have only one company code. Okay, there is no consolidation is required, right?
Okay.
Okay, for one company code, there is no consolidation is required.
Right.
So for that point of view, it's optional, right?
Yes, sir.
And in case of business area, see, that is a company choice whether they will follow business area, make it as a mandatory or optional. They don't want to use business area also. That is also work out. Because that is not mandatory. Okay. See, business area for internal reporting. So company code is external reporting. Company code external reporting is mandatory. So internal reporting is not mandatory. Your choice. Okay, it's a company internal choice whether they can track the expenditure through business area or not. Okay.
Okay. Right. So my second question is today in the session while creating the credit control area. You said a sentence like the credit control area should be bigger than or greater than.
See, that
the
organized structure I will tell you next class. We have one organized structure, SAP FICO organized structure. Okay.
Okay.
So that organized structure class I will explain in the next class. Okay.
Okay.
So there is like a senior manager. There is hierarchy will be there. Senior manager, assistant manager, junior manager. So like that, here also in SAP FICO, there is one organized structure is there. Okay, which is highest level, which is next level, which is the low level. So those things also we can discuss, right?
Sure, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I have a request, a small request, sir. I mean,
yeah.
I am a bit, I'm a bit slow in grabbing the things, sir. So if I ask like repeatedly some questions, so don't get annoyed. So that's the request I have, sir.
Nothing else. Okay, so
yes,
that
sir.
is happen. So if you have any questions, then you can directly ask in the class. That should be
sure.
fine. No problem.
Thank you for your words. Thank you.
Right. Any question you can ask me. Not a problem.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Thank you. Yeah.
Sir, I do have a couple of questions.
Yeah, madam.
Yes, sir. In ECC6 and S4 HANA, do we have the same T code, sir?
Yeah, see, right now I'm using S4 HANA system. For enterprise structure, there is no difference that we can find out, right? So everything is working good. The T code and path is same for enterprise structure. Okay, if any difference is there, then definitely I will notify.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So right now I'm showing everything in S4 HANA system, but you guys need to follow the EC system. Okay, yes. So the differences we can observe easily, right?
Yes,
okay.
Sir. Okay.
Okay, I will show you that. I will show you any difference is there. Then definitely I will show you. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay. And one more question, sir.
Yeah.
Regarding credit control area. So while creating the credit control area, sir, we need to create a credit control area for each company code or only for the company?
See, credit control area has one option that you can see, right? All
yes,
company
sir.
codes, one option is there, right? So one credit control area can be used to multiple company codes.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And so if you don't want to use that credit control area for other company codes, then you can change it. Okay, no problem.
Okay.
See, that assignments and all I will tell you tomorrow. There is one organized structure is there. Okay, last time I share you one real-time scenario like that. That assignment part is also we will discuss tomorrow. Okay, don't worry.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Fine. Thank you so much.
Okay, see you. Thank you.
Okay.